Ethical Hacker V10. If you are curious about new technologies and passionate about jump-starting your career as an ethical hacker, then this course is for you. The complete Ethical Hacker V10 certification exam prep course gives you a solid foundation in all the topics you need to master to pass the Ethical Hacker certification exam. Dive into hands-on projects and defend yourself from would-be attackers. Learn a vital skill when assisting in the improvement of the planet's atmosphere. You'll also learn how ethical hacking will help you increase your earnings and advance your career. Why learn Ethical Hacker V10? An increasing number of businesses are looking for ethical hackers to secure their most sensitive data. There aren't many days that go by without a breaking news report about break-ins, security threats, or vast amounts of data stolen from large corporations. And the companies who store this data are the ones that are most at risk. Ethical hacking has rapidly become one of the most in-demand skills in a variety of sectors, including finance, research and development, retail, real estate, healthcare, and more. Learn a valuable talent when helping to make the planet a better environment. You'll also discover that ethical hacking is a surefire way to boost your profits and further your career. What will I learn? 1. Master the topics needed to pass the Certified Ethical Hacker exam from EC Council. 2. Discover the why behind security administrators' work and secure your corporate and/or home-based network. 3. Build your career towards becoming a professional penetration tester. 4. Get paid for providing a valuable service for companies with sensitive data. And the requirements for this course. You should have a fundamental working knowledge of computers and basic experience doing system administration or help desk work to succeed in this course. You should be familiar with standard system administrator concepts such as firewalls, antiviruses, intrusion detection systems, and access control lists.